Welcome back. Okay, now, all right, we are in lesson 2. Okay, we are going to create a player. All right, so what we're going to do, if you can still remember, how do you add on, okay, your player or your sprite? Okay, what you can do, again, okay, right click, insert new object, right? Again, like what we did in lesson 1, click on sprite. Okay, remember what I said? Okay, make sure that okay you have a good habit of naming your sprite. So for this one, we will call it as player. Okay, click on insert. Okay, you will have this plus sign, left click, and you'll go to your editor. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, again, okay, I'm going to actually create something. Okay, I'm going to put in my image inside this box. Okay, for now, okay, I'm going to actually create a bug. All right, ladybug. Okay, it is going to be very easy. Okay, if you notice, a ladybug is somewhat a bit round. Okay, so from here, of course, you can use this ellipse tools. Okay, but there is a trick to this. Okay, you can actually do this very quickly by using the brush tool. Okay, click on the brush tool. Okay, so what you need to do is, all right, you will need to okay adjust the size. Okay, you can actually choose. All right, so just point to which color that you want, but because we are going to actually use red, okay, so make sure that okay you choose red first, and then okay the shade that you want to, okay, whether it's light red or dark red. So as long as you have the color there. Okay, so we are going to use your brush tool over here. Okay, adjust. I think this is okay. All right, what you need to do is just make sure that okay you just put it somewhere in the middle over here. Okay, and then what can we do? Okay, we are going to add in a bit more dots. All right, still using the brush tool. Okay, now I'm going to actually use black. Okay, and I'm going to reduce the size. Okay, what am I doing now? Okay, I'm actually going to put in the eyes, right? Okay, you notice that okay my sprite, okay, it is facing towards the right. Okay, why? Because by default, okay, if let's say you make any movement, okay, your sprite will always move from left to right. Okay, so it is best that you know you position your sprite, okay, or players or whatever that you're going to create that will need to move, okay, make it facing towards the right. Yeah. Okay, now I'm going to reduce a bit of the size over here again, so that I can have dots on its body. Okay, just randomly put over here. Maybe I just make it slightly smaller. Okay, anywhere that you want. Okay, and then this one slightly bigger. Okay, I think that should be all right. Okay, next I'm going to use the line tools over here. Still using the black one, so I'm just going to have it right across. Yeah, okay, I think that should be good. Okay, okay, just a few more dots. Right now, okay, of course the eyes, right? Okay, I forgot about the white part of it, so what I can do is still on the brush again. Okay, slide towards the right, and then okay, make sure that I have it slightly bigger. I think that should be cool. Okay, now okay, you have your very first player or sprite. Okay, which is okay, so what we need to do next, okay, we want to crop out okay whatever is not needed. Okay, you can see that the image of the sprite is slightly smaller than the box itself. So what we are going to do is we are going to okay crop it out. Okay, take out all the unnecessary okay background over here. All right, okay, the other thing that you need to remember, okay, you need to make sure that okay its origin or its center point. So make sure that okay click on origin over here or image point. and use your eyeball lah. Okay, just click on somewhere in the middle part of your player or your bug over here. Okay, I think we are done. Alright, then we can, okay, I forgot another thing. Okay, so what we can do is, okay, what we need to do is the collision polygon. Okay, at this point of time it takes the square box. Okay, but what you need to do is, you want to make it somewhat a bit more circular. What you need to do is just click on the red box over here to add on, okay, your nodes. Alright, so we are going to just move it inside over here. Okay, it need not be a perfect circle. Alright, as long as you have it, okay, around, okay, it's shape. Okay, I think we are ready. Click on close over here and you'll have your sprite inside or your player. Okay, now remember, we can actually make it a bit smaller. Why? Because, okay, we want to make sure that, okay, it can fit through. Okay, so how do you know whether it can move inside? So just, okay, position it in between the walls. Okay, just make sure that it's not too big. I think it should actually fit in. Okay, but okay, it's going to be a bit tricky. Okay, but that's what it's all about with regards to this game. Okay, it have to be a bit challenging, but at the same time fun to play with. Yeah, okay, I think it should be good. Yeah, okay, so where do you want to put this? Anywhere. Alright, whichever position that you want to put the bug in. Okay, but I think I will want to have it start from the middle over here. Okay, so at this point of time, okay, nothing is going to happen. Okay, but I'm going to get you to press on the preview button and let's see what happened. Yeah, okay, click on the preview button. Okay, this is what you will see when you play it on your mobile device, okay, on your laptop, on your desktop. Okay, this is what you will see. Of course, you won't be able to see okay, any other background. This will fill in your browser. Okay, as you can see at this point of time, okay, it doesn't move, it doesn't do anything. Okay, because we have not put in what, can you remember? Okay, it needs to have a, anyone? Okay, it needs to have a behavior, okay, for it to actually move. All right, so let us just close this and we are going to do exactly that. Okay, click on your sprite or your player and then add on a behavior. Okay, so what is the behavior that you are going to add to this particular players? Scroll down, okay, and you're going to use the it direction. Okay, and then click on add. All right, okay, this is the fun part. Okay, let us just close this. Okay, now let us just click on the preview. Okay, so now you'll be able to control your sprite. Okay, how do you do that? Okay, what you can do is use your arrow button on your keyboard. Okay, so if let's say if you were to click on the up button, it is going to move up. Okay, left button, it will go to the left, right button, it will go to the right. Okay, so you can see now that you are able to actually control, okay, your sprite or your player. Okay, now your bug is alive. Okay, is that fun? Yes. Okay, so I'm going to end this session. Okay, I will continue with lesson 3. Okay, lesson 3 we are going to actually add in, okay, the enemy. Okay, because what is a game for if you do not have an enemy? Okay, so see you in lesson 3. Bye bye.